Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Bluetooth device not working on a Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. Just need to find a Bluetooth services. Double click on it one by one. Set the startup type to automatic and select apply and start the service. Do the same thing for other Bluetooth service listed over here. After doing it, just close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type troubleshoot settings, click on open it. Select other troubleshooters. Select the Bluetooth troubleshoot to run. Do you have console to run automated diagnostic to try resolve the Bluetooth problem? Select yes and follow the on-screen instructions. This will help you to fix the Bluetooth problem, guys. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then method 3, just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. Expand the Bluetooth section and right click on web Bluetooth and select update driver and select search automatically for drivers. After getting this done, just close stuff here and if updating the driver doesn't fix your problem, then right click and select uninstall device. After uninstalling this device, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.